So, today is Wednesday, April the 17th, and I am going to take a few minutes to just review how to do adding, subtracting, and positive, negative numbers. We have just had a little discussion that these were common mistakes, and I am begging my friends here in my class to pay attention for just a few minutes, and I'm just going to talk about a few problems. I need you to see if these are things that you do and that you might get wrong. Okay, here we go. Now, first off, give me a second. Okay, I am going to do like these three problems. And I'm just using them as examples of what you should do and not do. Now, I basically just need you to watch for a minute. Do not write down, just watch. Okay, so step one all week has been look for the doubles. Anything that has a double, two signs in between the numbers. So, which one has a double sign? Number 14. So, I asked you to circle those double signs and then change them. So, step one, the rule is, if it is two pluses or two minuses in the middle there, we know we change it to a plus. Okay. If it was a plus minus or a minus plus, we would change it to a minus. Okay, so everybody's doing this part right. They're even changing this to a plus. A couple mistakes I'm seeing. Some people are bringing down a -7. The problem is that negative was swallowed in that circle. So you should only bring down a 7 on that side. Okay? On the other side, half my students are bringing down a 3. But the problem is it's not 3, it's -3. So you've got to get those symbols right or the next step doesn't work. Now, the other thing I keep seeing, class period after class period, the kids who are just leaving it like this, their eyeballs are going back up later when we do the math, and we're looking at this step. I need you to not look at that step. If you rewrite it, and the only ones you should be rewriting are the doubles, then I would cross it out. Because your eyeballs should be looking at that now, and that now. Is everybody good so far? Yes. Okay, the rewriting has been a big issue. Like, you shouldn't rewrite that thing. Okay. Step 2 is, this is where we say when we look at the negatives and the positive symbols, if they are the same sign, we're going to add, and if they are different signs, we're going to subtract. This has just been what I think kids go into fast error, because I can look at you on every class period and I'll ask the kid, I'll say, is this the same signs or different? And they're like, different. Oh. And they're like, they realize right then what they did wrong. If they are different signs, we know we should subtract. So, just do the biggest minus the smallest. 7 minus 3? 4. That's been another issue, just general math. Okay. Now, look at this one. Same or different? Different. So, 10 minus 7? 3. Okay. Same or different? Different. So 7 minus 5? 2. Now, the last step is to figure out the positive negative part. Okay? I was just making sure my camera was right. Okay, so step 3. A lot of kids are just skipping this step. They're running to get in line and get their paper checked, and then they're missing half the problems. The last step is, keep the sign of the largest number, meaning absolute value largest number. Okay, so Is a 7 bigger or a 3 bigger? 7. Since 7's bigger, this answer should be positive. Okay, looking up here, is 10 bigger or 7? 10. Since 10's positive, my answer's positive. Is 5 bigger or 7? 7. Since 7's bigger, it's negative, it needs a negative sign. You don't just sling negative signs wherever you want them. There's a reason behind it all. There's 3 steps. I'm begging you. Like, only rewrite the ones with doubles. Make sure you copy it right. Check the math. Like, that's been a biggie. I've had kids do 10 minus 8 is 3 half the day. Questions now? Yes?
I get confused on questions like 16 because I think it's positive 2. But I think it's just 7 minus, 7 minus.
But your brain, this is the hard part about teaching 6th grade when it comes to this. Because yes, for the last 5-6 years, it has been 7 minus 5. You think it's 2 or negative 2 or whatever, but I need you to think of it as if you have $5 and you owe someone 7, you know, like if you're at positive 5 and you go backwards 7, you're on the negative side of 0. And that's hard. And that's why we're given this a whole week of teaching, guys. We didn't want to teach it one day and then do multiply, divide the next. It's hard to get them all correct. So our goal is that, like, by the end of today, tomorrow, get them all right with add and subtract. Because when we add next week, we do the multiply, divide, it's got different rules. So we're trying to get you to get this right first. Now, my thing is this. What I'm going to do is, and I've done this every class period, I'm going to leave that part up there. Just kind of like, so you can look up here if you want. I will say, as it comes down to, next Friday, I mean, you couldn't use your binder or whatever if you wanted. Okay? My goal is now, I'm going to give you the sheet. You're going to do the whole front. Calm, cool, and collectively, slowly, so you get them right. I will be over there checking. Here's the plan, and I need you to look. This is a big class. There's one of me and a lot of y'all. When you line up, go that way. Towards my table. You're gonna make your line that way. Okay. And then I will check it and come back this way. Okay. Just to help out, but just to drop. Can you move back just a little bit? I'm gonna let all y'all scoot back a little bit. Can y'all scoot back, enough that like people can still get by back there? Okay. Are we good? Okay. Maurice, and if y'all want to move over there to get out of the path of travel, like if it gets too congested over here, if you want to move to that side to get out of the way, go for it. Okay? Now, here we go. So, okay, so start the front, just the front. Do not do the back until you get the whole front right. Okay. Just a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 second. Stop. I'm not going to do this today. I want y'all to make good grades when it comes to next test. And I'm not playing joking around. Give me 1 second. My friends who already need it checked. Okay.